Hey, good morning, everybody. Dave Cooper. This is Coffee with Dave on a wonderful Saturday morning. I'm just actually finishing a post here to send out to let everybody know that we're on. What a week we had. I mean, really, what a great week we had. I mean, we started off the week a little rough, some LinkedIn issues that happened earlier in the week, but man, it turned out to be a great podcast. We had Darren Siri on from Armad, which was just absolutely phenomenal, and we had so much fun speaking with him. I don't know. It just every week, I don't think we can get better and better. And every week we just get better and better. And even this upcoming week, it's going to get better and better. We have so many guests lined up. It's amazing how booked out we are with people that are really doing innovative things, changing the way we build, changing the way we do things. I just saw a post from Jerry McCahey that asked, hey, what if Elon Musk, right? What if Elon Musk was building houses? Would he build houses the way we used to build houses? Or would Elon Musk build houses differently? That was a Jerry McCahey approach. I responded to Jerry. I said, I bet Elon Musk will call you and ask you how to do it. But that's why we're here. We're here to talk about innovation. We're here to change the way we are building. We are here to not only change the way we are building, we are here to connect you, the audience, with people that are doing innovative things, changing the way we build, thinking differently, and driving this industry forward. And that's why we're having so much fun. It's not work for me. It is literally so much fun. And I'm putting this question up here, please. Dr. Brent Musson asked earlier this week in a post, what should we call ourselves? How should we spell offsite? And if you guys get it right, you'll have to buy new business cards. Do we spell it offsite with a hyphen or a dash, or without a hyphen dash? Put your comments in. I'd love to hear it, because we have a identity crisis when it comes to what we call ourselves in this industry. So, hey, listen, if you're just tuning in, please let us know where you're from, where you're joining us from. Let us know what you guys are up to this weekend. I definitely want to hear that. If you have swag, I haven't asked for a while. I need some new coffee mugs, right? Send us your coffee mugs. We'll put it on the show. I'll drink out of it. We'll talk about it. I think it's a fun way to interact with our audience. And eventually we're going to start giving these things away and sharing them with other people. So again, let us know what you think. What should we call ourselves? Or how should we spell it? Offsite or offsite? We could get real deep into that. Modular, volumetric, industrialized construction, ... But for today, we're just going to do offsite. Adam White. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Adam. Nice to see you, buddy. I hope all is well. I was just watching some of your stuff earlier. Thank you and your brother for tuning in all the time. Absolutely love it. Oh, look at that. We got Ashley Buckholt. What's up? Materials Exchange. Good morning from, I don't even know how to say that. Winneteca. I don't know. You're gonna have to give me the abridged version. But thanks for tuning in this morning, Ashley. Thanks for tuning in this morning, Adam. It's always great to see you guys. All right, let's talk about the shows. Let's talk about the lineup that we have coming for this week. So again, we kicked off the week. Let me get my banners. Where's my banners? We kicked off the week on Monday with Darren Siri, who's the VP of Modular Operations at Armad. I mean, listen, these guys are building a manufacturing plant in Tijuana. They're going to do things in a way to where they cost effectively build off-site construction. They're going to provide their own solutions for their own company, but then they're also going to start growing to outsource to other builders that want to build with them. And they have computer screens at each workstation. They're taking it up a notch. So they're including high-end sophisticated building techniques on their production line floor. It's going to help grow the business, and they're going to get young people in the door. I love it. I love it. I love it. So that was Monday. That was the start of Monday. And by the way, that video is getting so many views, and it is growing absolutely nuts. There's so many people interested in this content that we're putting out there, and I'm grateful that everybody is joining us and everybody's really appreciating it. If you're not appreciating it, let us know as well, because, we'll switch gears. Sometimes we get stuck in our own way. I do not want to be stuck in my own way. All right. Tuesday, we had building modular. One of the things with Jennifer Cooper, and one of the things we're going to change with building modular is we're going to start bringing on guests from modular manufacturers across the country for just about every episode or every other episode. And we're going to start incorporating that into our teachings of how you build modular, why you build modular, lessons learned. You want to be in the modular world, you want to be in the offsite world, this is the place you come to learn how it is done, to ask questions, to avoid getting your back end handed to you. Education costs money, but not on Dave Cooper Live. We're doing it for everybody and bringing it out there free. So thank you to Mike Haney, Westchester Modular Homes, for helping us with this past Tuesday, where we talked all about setting modular and how we set up. And what's great about that is it was a lead-in for Monday's event. Monday is a great event. We have ProSet Modular Construction's going to be on the call on with us this Monday. Scott Bridger, commercial construction, and we might have some live on location with that. You might be able to see a walkthrough of where this structure was built, and we might end it on a rooftop deck in Chinatown. I think that's what he said, Chinatown, on the West Coast. So that'll be a good time. Looking forward to it. So, all right, Wednesday, we had a pre-look at a product launch from Rhea with Nigel Watts, who's the vice president of product, right? Now get this. They have come up with a system because of the crisis we're in with labor issues to be able to put in a mechanical HVAC system using 12 SKUs for all jobs. It's home run. It can I don't know if retrofit's the word. It works with other systems. It can be set with an app. You can figure out what the app is, and no metal parts. It all snaps together. And it keeps the temperature within just a couple of degrees of each room. That's amazing. You got to check it out. Rhea, they're already out there working with a lot of the production builders, soon to be open to the public. You want to check them out. Rhea, Nigel Watts has got it going on. And if you live in Arizona, look up Nigel. He is moving your way. He's going to hot to Arizona. And I know there's a bunch of you out there that live in Arizona. Okay, so Thursday we had increasing influence with Miles J. Big. And the great thing about Miles J. Biggs is Miles started doing his own video. So kudos to Miles, man. Taking a step up. Love it. Love what he's doing. But what we did is we unpacked last week's episode with former NFL football player Dominic Roufran. So former NFL player Dominic Roufran was on our show. We broke it down this past week, everything he talked about, and it was a great show. And the bottom line is this: you just have to do it. You got to put yourself out there. You got to hold yourself accountable and keep moving. All right, let's do a couple more quick shout outs this morning. Let's see. Ashley said, call and share to get your friends on. Dave's show goes great with coffee. Absolutely it does, Ashley. Thank you very much. Cheers to you this morning. Uh-oh. Look who showed up. Hey, somebody's awake this morning. Greg Ugaldi, great to hear from you. The package of Jennifer Dave Live Modular Tuesday is a very valuable must-see for the entire industry. Greg, thank you for that. Really appreciate it. And just while you're on here, let me go here, Greg. I just want everybody to know we will have Greg Ugaldi on the show August 24th. Greg is the immediate past chairman of the NAHB. The immediate past chairman of the NAHB, Greg Ugaldi, on this show once a month to talk about what's happening at the National Association of Home Builders upper level. Also, to be here to discuss offsite construction, talk about innovation, and share with us what the NAHB is doing to help drive our business forward. They are out there to help us. They're out there to protect us. I know it's not always clear, but they do a lot of work behind the scenes with regulations and everything. So, Greg, we're really happy that you tune in with us every day. Thank you so much for that. Okay, back at it, everyone. So that was Thursday. This Friday, we had Mark Bare Naked Willie on the show, which was awesome. What did I have? Friday, August 7th. Where did I go? Yeah, that was right. Friday, August 7th. What was great about this past Friday? Hanley Wood. We had Jay Lepley on from Hanley Wood this past Friday. We had a great show. Jay was amazing. I said Hanley Wood, Benson Wood. I keep saying Hanley Wood. We had Jay Lepley on from Benson Wood this Friday. We talked about how they build offsite construction, how they put their products together, how they achieve airtightness with offsite construction, how they use automation within their production facilities, how they use technology, AutoCAD, BIM, whatever you want to call it, modeling technology in their systems, color-coded. Listen to this, color-coded, and they collaborate. This is the big one. They collaborate with people from around the world to continue to be better in a business that has so much culture. So Benson Wood on the show, Unity Homes, Benson Wood. You need to check this one out. This is going to be one that's watched a lot. So Jay Lepley from Benson Wood was on the show. Sorry, I got the name mixed up in that first comment, but you guys were awesome. Looking forward to having follow-up shows. We're going to try and stream live from their manufacturing plan of a project. And then we're going to stream live on location so you can see it from start to finish. That's what we're going to be doing with Benson Wood. Stay tuned for more information on that. So, all right, moving on. That brings us to today. Hey, Saturday with Dave, talking about everything that happened this past week and what we're going to do this upcoming week. All right, who's excited for this upcoming week? Anyone? Thumbs up, excitement. Where's it at? It's a quiet morning out there this morning, but let's get to it. I got grass to cut. It's Saturday, right? What are you guys doing on Saturday? This is what I like to do and start my day. I know you guys all think I'm crazy doing this 6 days a week, but I'm having a lot of fun with it. I truly am. I'm meeting people from all over the world, like Adam White, and getting to talk with people like Greg Ugaldi. This is a place to learn and collaborate and just put it all out there. So much appreciation to everybody that tunes in. All right, let's get into it. Monday, Scott Bridger from Pro Set Modular. Matt may join us, but we have Scott Bridger for sure this Monday. Pro Set Modular coming up. Gonna love every ounce of it. We are going to do commercial modular set. We're going to talk to the folks at the very top of it. And guess what? They don't only set modular, they are turnkey. You have a big project, these are the people to go to. You want to see how large mass modular construction, volumetric construction is put together efficiently and with the best that in the industry? These are the guys. They're going to be on the show. We're going to talk about it, and we're going to try and stream live from one of their locations. All right, August 11th, Tuesday, Building Modular with Jennifer Cooper. Always going to be great. We're going to continue down the journey of what happens after the set. We just talked about the set on this past Tuesday. We had our guest on, Westchester Modular Home Manufacturer, Mike Heine. And this Tuesday, we're going to continue the conversation. What happens after the set? And then Wednesday, all right. Coming out of, I don't even know what they call it. Coming out of the woodworks, coming out of stealth mode, we have Sam Rubin, founder of Mighty Buildings, 3D printing, pre-launch conversation right here on Dave Cooper Live. I don't know if you guys have noticed the theme, but that's kind of happening a lot now where we have a lot of people wanting to come on the show to do a kind of a pre-product launch. Let's set it up. Let's get it ready to go. Let's put it out there, which is great. So if you're interested in that, definitely reach out to us if you have something great. If you're in stealth mode and you're getting ready to tell the public of how great you are and what you have going on and it's going to change the world, we want to hear from you. All right. August 13th, increasing influence. All right, with Miles, Biggs ideas. And then, of course, we're going to have our BS Friday upcoming this Friday. And there's always something special happening on that. This past Friday, like I said, we had Benson Wood on, Jay Leppel, talking about how you achieve air tightness in offsite construction. And it was a phenomenal show. Moving to the following week, because it's only getting better, folks. It's only getting better. Guess what? We have Jennifer Kastenson, programming and innovation person on from Hanley Wood. Hive. If you're in this business, you probably heard of Hive. Jennifer Kastenson is part of the programming and innovation at Hanley Wood. Last Friday was Benson Wood. This upcoming 17th, I think it's a Monday, is Hanley Wood. So join us for that. Jennifer is going to have a lot to share with us. They got some upcoming webinars going on. I know they've been trying to plan events, but with this whole COVID crisis, those are still kind of tough to play in. And then the big announcement, and we've been talking about this, so it's not really a new announcement. Wednesday, August 19th, from across the ocean, we are going to have Helena Ludlow, head of engineering from Lindbäcks. Head of engineering from Lindbäcks in Sweden is going to be on this show. They are a leader in offsite volumetric modular construction. Highly suggest that you tune in for that one. If you want to see what people are doing across the pond, that is the place to jump in for sure. All right, let's get to some of the comments. Look at that. I see Jerry Cooper from Pittsburgh. Good morning, Jerry. Good morning. For everybody out there that likes to know, Jerry Cooper is my mother. Yes, she is. So, hi, Mom. Thanks for joining us this morning. And I see she has a picture of my grandmother and my sister, Tammy. Love it. Love you guys. We'll talk later today. All right, moving forward. Jennifer's putting a bunch of comments in the post here today. We got Scott Bridger. Jen, you're just repeating what I've already said. I love you for that. That's exactly right. That is exactly right. And this is the best one, coming out of stealth mode. I love that, right? It's stealth mode from Star Wars, Star Trek, stealth. Anybody know? All right. So either way, Sam Rubin's coming out of stealth mode. Mighty Buildings, 3D printing, taking it to net zero, ? Not sure. Can't wait to learn more from Sam. Yeah, Sam's going to be a great guest. This whole week's going to be a great guest. We're going to have a lot of fun. So listen, everybody, it always goes so fast. My 20, 30-minute rambling of the mouth. Greg Ugaldi, I always love it when you tune in. Thank you for always saying hello to us, and thank you for all your support at the NAHB and all that you do. And I am really looking forward to everybody else, Adam, Ashley, all you guys that are out there that support us day in and day out. I look forward to it. I want to actually catch up with you, Adam. Maybe we can get some time on the schedule and continue our conversations. But everybody that's out there trying to make a difference and support what we do, we want to talk to you. We want to drive this industry forward. We definitely want to change the way we think, the way we build, and give people affordable options as well as healthy options of homes to live in. Offsite is the future. Help us grow it. Just help us grow it. All right, everybody, I'm done rambling. Have a wonderful weekend. I'm off to do some yard work and maybe go to the lake with the kids this afternoon. So I like it and I love it. And I appreciate every one of you. You guys have a great one, and enjoy your coffee, man. Try something different. I love different coffee. I'm Dave Cooper. We'll see you Monday, 1 p.m. with Pro Set Construction. Bye now.